Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, OPPO A57s device, and now I can show you how to record calls on this phone. So to begin with, we need to clarify a few nuances. First, you need to understand that in order to record calls, you need to have access to the root of the file system. By default, only the default applications, in our case, the phone application, has access to the hidden directories. But the laws of some countries, in my country, these laws works too. So the laws of some countries prohibits recording calls in these countries. And if your country is not prohibits call recordings, you can find call recordings here. Open your phone application, click on three dots button, click settings, and here you will have under calling accounts you will have call recording. So I have now this feature in my application, as you can see. So I can, and if you have no this feature too, you can too use third-party application. I suggest you use Cube ACR. So just find here Cube ACR. Find Cube ACR and click install. Wait a while. Click turn on. Oh, I'm so sorry, it was power saving mode. I don't want to turn on the power saving mode. So Cube ACR was successfully installed. So open Cube ACR. Click next. Hello. Click enable app connector. And great. So now here, scroll down, find here Cube ACR app connector. Click Cube ACR app connector. Click OK. Go back. Click OK. Go eat. Hello. You don't have to provide location access, so you can click no thanks, click OK, go eat, click on the cross on the left top corner, and great. So now, as you can see, wait for it, okay, go eat. Now all your calls will be automatically recorded when someone calls you or you will call to someone. All your callings, all your connections will be recorded here. But you have to understand that it will only record the sound from your microphone. And if you have the root access, this application will record the sound from your microphone and from your speaker, phone speaker. But if you have no root access, you need to know that this application will record sound only from your microphone. And therefore, if you want to record your voice and the voice of your interlocutor, so you can use external speaker when someone calling you, and in this way your microphone will pick the voice from speaker and from microphone and from you, from your interlocutor and from you. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.